morning, guys, and welcome back to another shower remodel. We will be renovating the shower only. Fortunately, it is a fiberglass tear out, so that'll be very simple, very quick and easy. We are going to install a new bathtub, new large format porcelain all the way to the ceiling, of course a niche and a couple of grab bars for this. So let's go inside and show you the space. I'm not going to do much talking because the client is close by, so let's go take a look, shall we? Unloading the van right now. We have the trailer coming for debris. We'll park it right there and leave it for the duration of this project, but yeah, let's unload, let's protect, and let's go show you what the space looks like. All right, guys, let's show you how we protect everything when we're only remodeling a shower. Got the trailer all set up. We have the floor protected with some cardboard, masked off. The cabinet with plastic. We have plastic over the vanity top, and we have this awesome DeWalt. The knee pad slash vanity protector. Basic tools, hammer, flat bar, bear claw. Yes, I call that a bear claw. 5-in-1. We have our one-handed recip saw. Makes demo of this fiberglass shell quick and easy. Of course, multi-tool as well as our impact. So let's get to it. Tear this out. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, we got the mixing valve installed. Diverter here, raise the shower head. Now it's time to install the drain kit, and we'll bring the tub inside and hook it up. And here we are, moving along very quickly with this project. Demo is complete. The tub has been installed. Our valve has been installed as well. Backer board is up. Our niche has been framed and is installed. So today is going to be a really simple day. It's going to be waterproofing and tile in the same day. We're going to wrap the walls with our Kerdi membrane, put our dehumidifier on, have some lunch, come back and knock out the back wall as well as the niche. So again, here's our membrane. Let's go show you the shower, and then we're gonna get right to it. We have some thin set mixed up. We're gonna roll that out over there and install it on the walls so that we have a waterproof shower. We'll be using this flat trowel, RTC, to install our membrane. Again, we're going to wrap all of these walls with the membrane and our all set thin set. This has been plumbed, our diverter's here, and here we go. Brand new bathtub is installed. We have it protected with plastic and cardboard. It is time to get to work and waterproof this surround. We'll be using a couple of different tile leveling systems. We're going to try this out right here. Monster Clips, 1/16 joints. Very cool leveling clip system. We also have our AccuFloor window wedge system as well. Great system. We like it a lot. Let's cut up some membrane. All right, so we waterproofed this morning. So we're ready to set tile. Waterproof and tile in one day can be done with this Kerdi membrane. So 12 by 24 is right up to this niche. And we'll be using this tile leveling system for the back wall to give it a shot. Monster clips, all in one system. Let's see how well these perform.